Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you ready to boost your productivity and add a dash of style to your planning routine? In today's video, I'm giving you a full tour of my favorite pink aesthetic Notion template, perfect for weekly planning and journaling, plus a step-by-step tutorial that will get you set up fast. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a professional-looking planner or journal, but you'll also know exactly how to customize it so it really feels like yours. Let's jump right in. For this demo, we're going to use a free Notion template called Pink Weekly Planner, or you might choose Pink Journal depending on your personal needs. Using a template is a fantastic way to save time and immediately level up the look of your Notion workspace. These templates have been designed to be both functional and beautiful, so you can focus on planning rather than spending hours tinkering with design elements. From the main Notion dashboard, take your attention up to the top left corner. There you'll spot a small drop-down menu labeled More Options. Click on that, and don't worry if you need a moment to locate it, I'll wait. This menu is essentially your gateway to customizing your Notion experience. Once you're there, select Browse Templates. Now this is where Notion really shines because you'll see a vast selection, but today we're aiming for that iconic pink vibe to keep things fresh, fun, and maybe even a bit motivational. Use the search bar in the template gallery and type in Pink Weekly Planner or Pink Journal depending on what you're after. You'll probably spot a couple of different options, each with its own subtle twist on the aesthetic. Take a moment here to preview the templates. Some have elegant minimalist pink accents, while others might lean more bold and vibrant. Choose one that resonates most with your personal style. After all, you'll be spending time here every week. Now select your favorite and go ahead and click Add. This is the exciting part. Notion will instantly copy the template into your workspace, preserving all of the stylish formatting and layout options for you. You'll notice the weekly sections are beautifully laid out, often with headers, built-in trackers, and little motivational prompts ready for you to fill out. Think of this like moving into a tastefully furnished apartment. All the hard work is done, and now you get to make it your own. At this point, you can start customizing. Enter your personal credentials. Maybe you want your name, a cute avatar, or your goals for the week right at the top. The templates usually have creative sections too, like places to record gratitude, daily reflections, or even sections for creative brainstorming. Spend a few moments exploring these features. You'll find options to tweak colors, edit headings, or rearrange blocks to prioritize what matters most to you. There's no single right way to do this, so feel free to experiment. If something doesn't look quite right, just undo or drag it to a new spot. Notion is remarkably forgiving with edits, so breathe easy. If you're wondering whether you need advanced tech skills, honestly, you don't. The templates are designed to be user-friendly. Maybe you want to add a personal quote or highlight a big goal for the month, go for it. That kind of little detail helps your planner motivate you daily. And that's it. In just a handful of steps, you've set up a beautiful, organized, and personalized pink planner or journal in Notion, ready to help you reach your goals, stay on track, or simply reflect in style. If anything felt tricky, don't hesitate to watch that part again or drop a comment below and I'll help out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves aesthetic organizing, and let me know in the comments if you have questions or want more Notion tips. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more creative tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy planning.